This 2018 Keystone Bullet Premier 3.1 BKPR2 BDRM double slide, rear bunkhouse is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Keystone is 12 feet 0 inches in length and features two slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 10, external shower, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, TV, slideout, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Keystone Bullet Premier 3.1 BKPR2 BDRM double slide, rear bunkhouse is 6,730 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.